Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to teach you how to make points, lines, and polygons. So basically new shapefiles and then how to digitize those features. If you're still have your map open from the previous exercise, there is a way that you can turn off your georeferencing, right? So I don't have, mine isn't open at the moment, but you basically can hit georeference and then there's a button called like basically close or stop georeferencing, so you can go ahead and close that. That's if you see your origin and destination control points that are still there from the previous map. So the first thing that we want to do for this example is we want to go to view and then you want to go to catalog pane. And then you're going to want to do is set up the folder, your kind of working folder. It may or may not be connected. So in order to connect it, you have to add your connection and then navigate to your drive that you're working from. I've already done this, so I'm not going to navigate all the way through. And then I'm working at a drive called GeoRef, and it's in a folder called C Cartography GeoRef. So you're going to, just to make your life easier, you want to make sure that you have a folder that you're working out of, and that when you create your new shapefiles, you'll know where they're going. So the first thing we're going to do is you're going to select the folder in catalog, sort of your working folder, and then you're going to create, you're going to go to new and then new shapefile. And then we're going to call this one point layer version 1. And you have to change the geometry type to point. And then the important thing also down here is the coordinate system. So we're just going to make this system the same as the current map, which is WGS84. Any files that you create, if they're not projected, it's okay. You can always at a later time project them. The important thing is that it's in a known system so that it can move it to another system if necessary. So that's all you're going to need is the name of a file, coordinate system, and then you can go ahead and hit run. So once that's done, you can hit the little close button here, and then we're going to go ahead and create a line file. So we're going to basically do the same thing. You switch this to polyline. We can save ourselves some time here by just typing in line layer, again the coordinate system WGS84. And then basically you could have guessed it, we're going to do the polygon as the third. So we're going to change this to polygon, and then everything else remains the same. And once we're done with that, we should have 3 new files. Okay, we're going to close this out. And it looks like the software has created these for us. I will double check on properties to make sure that the coordinate system is the WGS84 and it is. So I don't think we need to check all of them, but I wanted to check one of them. So the next step for you is you would hit the edit button and you're going to basically create new points, lines, and polygons. And you have to work from one file at a